Assalamu alaikum students. Question number 6. Surface areas and volumes, exercise 13.1. A medicinal capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter is 5 mm. Entire capsule. Amich as a length to go with such 14 mm. The any capsule has a diameter such 5 mm. Find its surface area. Use any capsule to go with and it has surface area more. Go yet near surface area use capsule surface area. You can size go with yem the figures yatmos exist. That means yatmos is the hemisphere. Kalishato Yayothan Atiman, yet the capsula get Shuakascatola. Touches one Kaliaks, Nebrimu touches Atiman. Means curved surface area of this hemisphere, curved surface area of this hemisphere. Go down hemisphere on whom curved surface area. Plus, as any middle hand, middle. Medium hand is cylinder. Go curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area. Go yemi capsule use surface area is so I say 2 times curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder. I hope कि तो यह सवाल समझो या इस पे समझो ऐसे में solutions Mr. Umar, given that diameter of two hemispheres is equal to diameter of cylinder. Capsule has a diameter is such as 5 mm. This capsule is an hemisphere be cylinder. I will go. Yes, an capsule sorry diameter. Here diameter is a hemisphere and one is a cylinder. The diameter of two hemispheres is equal to diameter of cylinder is equal to Dhanvani has I say 5 mm. Therefore, radius of both hemispheres and cylinder. Yes, the radius I see Dhanvani figure has say 5 upon 2 or you may write 2.5 mm. Sorry. mm. Also, question is given to go with as a total length capsule is 14 mm. Total length of capsule is equal to 14 mm. Therefore, because cylinder as a measurement of cylinder length, height, such as small. Therefore, length bracket of height of cylinder is equal to 14 means total height. Total height is total height means go yoti capsule is total height. Total length is 14 mm. Cylinder is yota. Go reduce radius. Radius, 2 times the radius reduce Go 14 minus 2.5 plus 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 go 5. 14 minus 5 so क्या सने 9 mm. I मतलब कोई ऐसा length या तो height of cylinder size 9 mm. होता समझ गो Third there. As come surface area of capsule. Surface area of capsule. Baker repeat. Yet must figure should contain this curved surface area has carried some surface area of capsule. इसलिए कौन now? Surface area of capsule is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 times CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cylinder is a maximum hunch plus 2 times CSA of hemisphere. So which implies curved surface area of cylinder, it is 2 pi r and h, 2 pi r h plus 2 times into 2 pi r square curved surface area of hemisphere, which further implies radius is same 5/2, or you may write 2.5 mm. Numeral factor 2 या 6 कोई करो 2 कॉमन बेचु पाई या 6 पाई करो कॉमन एम पछु r ये 4 स्क्वायर r करो कॉमन ब्रैकेट 2 pi r ये को कॉमन एतुस खाली h प्लस ये तुस 2 ऐसे 2 दोइले r को कॉमन एत बचो 1 पाई द्रा नेबर r स्क्वायर मजरा 1 r नेबर एत बचो 1 r. ठीक है, these are pan value. So which implies 2 into 22/7 into radius 5/2. तो एक 5/2 बदल लिखिए 2.5 के. Height, it is the height of cylinder, that is 9 mm plus 2 times r. 2 into 5/2. बताओ समझ? So which implies 2 1 r 2 11 r 11 5 r 55 into 2, it gives us 110/7. 110/7. Big one. 2 1 r 2 11 r 11 5 r 55 into 2 110. Bracket start. 2 and 2 will go 9 plus 5. It's 14. Take over there. 7 1 r 7 2 r 14, which implies 110 into curves 2 is equal to 2 0 r 0 2 1 r 2 2 1 r 2 mm square. ये क्या सा है गोबर मियोन यूजन सोन कैप्सूल सरफेस एरिया ऐसे 220 mm square. शुक्रिया. अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स. Exercise 13.1, question number 7. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of a cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of canvas used for making the tent. Also, find the cost of the tent at the rate of Rs 500 per meter square. Note down, base of the tent won't be covered with the canvas. Kashir par kar samjhane ki koshish. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the dimension is cylindrical part, diameter should 4 meter, height is 2.1 meter. 2.1 meter. Moreover, using top to conical top, which has a slant height, just 2.8 meter. As to Molum Karun, to even use find the area canvas used for making the tent. This is tent and so canvas to lagan, a type of cloth. MC this covered current tent. Then to even use Tamik area quota S. Go up part, doing part S. Find the cost of the tent. This tent banana si canvas use karnas mas as quota cost pay at the rate of 500 per meter square. Agar is 21 meter square ache 5 lag. Going to party modes. Find the area of canvas used for making the tent. Any of quota canvas lagi. Remember, yes, base cylinder. Actually, canvas use करूँ कि शुटे नोट असमत थोमत लिखे। आई मतलब वो actually जो पैर करूँ ये पे start करूँ ये पे ठेवरुकुन या थान ठेस canvas लाग। मीन्स ऐसे खाली curved surface लागन canvas को होता है ऐसी यूता यह conical top अस्त cylindrical part अस्त ऐसी curved surface है because curved face नहीं शायद लाग। Go area canvas used for making the tent as a covered surface area of cone plus covered surface area of cylindrical bar. Simple. Technique is 6 meter square as canvas use gasa. 1 meter square अच्छा लगन 5 yes area नेरी तब करो multiply 5 से so as cost user tent बनाने से लगे. समझ आओ? थे सब बोल जाओ. Given that diameter of cylindrical part is equal to diameter of conical part. Exact question surmount. मतलब यह एक diameter ऐसे दिया, सौ ऐसे base diameter दिया. कोई diameter है cylindrical part is 4 meter दिया. इस पर तो surmount होगा क्या conical part. Conical part diameter is 4 meter. Therefore, radius of both cylinder and cone is equal to 4/2 gives 2 meter. कोई radius ऐसा नहीं बस दानमनी हम ऐसे size 2 meter. Also, height of cylindrical part is equal to 2.1 meter. Height as a cylindrical part is such as 2.1 meter. Slant height of conical part is equal to 2.8. Slant height as is there. Such given 2.8 meter. Now, going to part उसमें करूँ बोलूँ area of used canvas. Used canvas ऐसे सुको होता कैसे आपने use. Area of canvas used. Area of canvas used is equal to curved surface area of cone because उसपे on face नहीं होता लागू plus curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cone जो आसान गोबर में बराबर pi r l. R means radius, L means slant height plus curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder जो आसान है मोलम ये शायद pi 2 pi r h. Em करो इस फुट वो curved surface area of cone pi r l plus 2 pi r h. So which implies pi एक अपन common r एक अपन common ये तो l plus 2 times h pi r ये कोई में common ये तो l plus it is 2 b क्या सोच h. Now this h is the height of cylinder. Which further implies 22/7 into 2. 22/7 into radius is 2 meter. Bracket start L means slant height is 2.8 plus 2 times height. 2 into height of cylinder is given 2.1 meter. ठीक होगा. So which further implies 2 into 22 r 44/7. Bracket start 2.8 plus 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 4.2. I पे क्या सा गोबर में 44 upon 7 bracket start 2.8 plus 4.2 gives 7. Iman doni les plus karo tad क्या सा नेरे 7. 7 and 7 will go. I क्या सा draw 44 meter square. 44 meter square. ये क्या सा जो सोन गोल्ड पार्ट यूजर ऐसे एरिया ऑफ कैनवास यूज्ड was करो सो क्या सा draw 44 meter square. वन जो दोयम पार्ट है तो ये बोलिए सर कॉस्ट ऑफ कैनवास क्या है यानी टेंट यूजर मेकिंग टेंट ऐसे में कॉस्ट क्या है एट द रेट ऑफ 500 per meter square. आई होप कि योता ऐसे समझ होगा इस करो दोयम पार्ट Now cost of making the tent at the rate of Rs 500 per meter square is equal to, we have total area 44 meter square. X meter square अच्छे 57 min सोईता जहाँ meter square हमको आता है go 44 into 500 which gives us 0 5 4 are 20 5 4 are 20 20 plus 2 22 means Rs 22,000 cost like ऐसे ये टेंट बनाना